Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of January. And first of all, national news. Open to legitimate return of Indians living illegally, S. Jaishankar in US. Trump administration prioritizing India ties, S. Jaishankar on US visit. State police has no role lodging complaints for airport violations, top court. Railway Safety Commissioner to probe Maharashtra train accident. In Japan, Himanta Sharma highlighted growth incentives to attract investors to Assam. And now some international news. Mexico built temporary shelters to prepare for mass deportations from US. Hope this time Trump 2.0 will be more serious, Iran official at Davos. Panama Canal was not gift from US. Panama president at Davos. China vowed to protect national interest against Trump's 10% tariff threat. US government workers in diversity jobs to be put on paid leave. White House. And now some sports news. BCCI broke silence on reported refusal to sport Pakistan logo on Champions Trophy jersey. Arshdeep Singh shattered all-time India T20 international record with twin blow in first England T20 international. After playing just 7 times, Neymar likely to leave Saudi side AI Hilal, a report said. And that's all in news. Thank you.